Yeah, so the point of this is I've accepted a couple of challenges in plural. So I'm in the car, I'm on my way to somewhere important and special to do this. The first challenge, which is set by Peter Smith from 01creations on YouTube. He said, hey, can you take your DTO2 and drive really fast with it? Clock a speed and then you're in the speed challenge. It's a speed challenge. So I'm gonna find a piece of road where there's nothing there and I can go and in peace drive my DTO2. I don't have particular hopes for beating any speed barriers or anything like that, but yeah, it's gonna be good fun, Pete. I'm in. The other speed challenge, the other challenge that I'm in, going to be, is Mark Bryan has also set one. He made a YouTube short and he followed that up with a Facebook post on Poor Boys RC and said, hey, can you drive your TTO2 in a slalom course where you put up 5 cones and then you go, no, I can't. No, I don't have a TTO2. I have one, but it's not painted, so it would be stupid to run it. But Mark said, of course you can always use something else. And since I, in the back of the car, have my DTO2, 1 letter's difference, DTO2 or TTO2, 1 letter difference, my DTO2 is with me. It's a rear-wheel drive, and I'll give that a try. Come on. So those 2 challenges coming up. All right, Pete. This is the DTO2 entry into the Peter Smith CW01 DTO2 challenge. I'm Mads. What do we do? Track? Oh, I'm supposed to. I had something left. Track, start, and then to confirm that it's actually doing something. Yes, there we go. Well, then that should be all good. Stick this away, and then we'll give it a go. Oh no! What the hell was that for? All right. Where did you go? Where did you go? Where'd you go? Where did you go? Oh, there we are. Yeah. Oh, it's not broken. Well, the radio's broken. Well, let's drive back to the car. Well, I guess that's enough for a speed challenge anyway, isn't it? Now we fold the camera downwards again. Let's see what we can catch on this. We'll just confirm that this is working. And we press the stop button and then the read button. And that gives us 39 kilometers per hour. That was actually quite cool. Yeah, that's quite cool. Pete, that's my entry to the DTO2 speed challenge. Since that went so well, on to the next. Yeah, so the next challenge is Mark Bryan's slalom challenge. I have 5 cones, I have the tape measure, I have something to represent a start or finish line. So let's get this going. Here's Here's our line, and we just want to measure out 3 meters, which is this 3-meter distance. All right. Oh, that was that part of the challenge done. So let's see. So this is probably my what I'll call my test run. Also, if the radio goes and fails again. So let's film the test run. Let's see how it goes. That was probably that. And then we'll try again. Let's go. I'm beginning to see why this is a 4-wheel drive car, RC car challenge, and the radio is refusing to cooperate. Let's give this another try with the radio actually working. Let's go. I'm beginning to see why people are struggling to do this. I think this is the time where I'm gonna... Okay, so I actually practiced a little bit. Let's give this a go. Oops, fail. And we go again. And there's cyclists coming. So there's people out on bike rides, there's people collecting trash, there's all kinds of stuff happening, and then there's me, the fool with the RC car. Right, let's go. It's absolutely no good. This is the last one. How's it? Just say those who know me, they know that I might have a plan B and I have something else going on. This is sort of like a trick up my sleeve. This is the MP10E. Let's go. I guess we need to give it a go, a proper try. All right, we'll try again. That must be the best we've done so far. Well, that was literally quite exhausting. So those were 2 challenges that I got in the managed, sort of. Peter Smith, 39 kilometers per hour, DTO2. Yes, that was great fun. It was actually quite easy. And that takes me on to the next challenge. Mark, Brian, no way, that was not easy. I can tell you, I have full respect and understanding for how many issues you've been having with those cones and how many times you needed to walk that old walk of shame down and correct the cone and put it all back and then restart, and the damned camera at the same time. is of course necessary. So yeah, those were the rules, and I think I played by them mostly. The DTO2 is entered, and then I bended the rules. Maybe, I don't know if it. I think it was a free challenge, so it's also free for Kyoshos. And I entered both a Tamiya and a Kyosho. So yeah, difficult, and I am completely out of. Yeah, by the way, I forgot to mention, it's not for because I'm all bad that I'm sweaty. It's because it's goddamn hot. So thanks for watching.